If you've got rice, eggs and vegetables in the fridge, I'm going to show you how to make egg fried rice quicker than the guy from Deliveroo will be at your door. Doing this kind of like Chinese style egg fried rice. You can do this from start to finish in 15 minutes. Rice has been pre-boiled, it's still sort of warm. I just leave the lid on so it finishes cooking. While you're doing that, you can chop all your veg up. I've got my garlic and ginger in a blender like this. You can just chop it by using a knife. So once you've got all your veg chopped up, we can start cooking. So I give the carrot and the onion a couple of minutes, and we're going to use some frozen peas and sweet corn. You can use literally anything you've got available for this dish. That's why it's so versatile and simple. I've just got some courgette and red pepper there. Fry this off for a few minutes. If I was doing a meat, say a chicken one, then I would put the chicken in with the carrot and onion, but we're going to keep this one vegetarian. So cracked black pepper and some sea salt. If you want to put some soy sauce in, I would put that in when you put the rice in, but we're going to just keep this relatively plain. So your garlic and ginger, that's going to go in once that veg is softened a little bit. Remember, we want to keep the veg quite crispy. You don't want it, you know, like mulch. And you'll smell that ginger and garlic come through. And I put a drop more oil in now, just for the eggs. So we're going to go with 2 eggs here. Crack them straight in. And then our rice is straight on top of the eggs. Fold that all together. So you're almost like making an omelette with rice in it. And then I'd go for a tiny bit more seasoning as you've got your egg in there now. So there we have it. That is a quick 15-minute from start to scratch meal. Rice has been eaten, plate's been washed, she's nearly knitted me a new hat, Deliveroo hasn't even come yet. So give this one a go. If you like what you've seen, subscribe, leave comments down below, and until next time, enjoy.